Hi guys, it's cold here in sunny Florida, but that means it's time for my wings. Now I've done shorts of my wings. I've cooked them in the past and taken the video down and up because something was wrong or I didn't like it, whatever. But today is the perfect time. I'm going to take you from the beginning to end with my wings. They're not buffalo, they're not traditional, not anything like that. They're just pan fried, and I guess this is called a shallow fry. And they were on sale today, buy 1 pound, get 1 pound free. And they're beautiful. And I bought them at a place here in Florida called Fresh Market. I don't know where else they are, but to me, they're like a step above Whole Foods because they have all different things you can't find just anywhere. And especially with the wings, what I like there is I could pick. They're all cut already, drums and flats. And like I've said in the past, I like the flats and Vinny loves the drums. So it's perfect to say, give me 8 of each. And I love that. You can't do that with even Bell and Evans, which I buy in the past, because they're, they're not separated like this. But it's great to have them where you can pick and choose, and they're lovely. The drums are nice and meaty. Okay, let me just rinse my hands because I'm going to touch my spice jars, and I'm going to show you my simple seasoning from beginning to end. And I love my wings extra crispy. That's another thing I'll tell you that I love doing them myself. Oftentimes when I order them out, even when we're getting buffalo, I tell them to separate everything. Just do them extra crispy with all my sauces on the side and the blue cheese and whatever have you. And that's because that's the way I love them. I'm just checking my mic. Okay, don't touch nothing else. Simple onion powder. And I just put them all on a tray like this, the plastic for your poultry and chicken. Then I'll wash that as soon as I'm done. Garlic powder. I'm very generous with the garlic. You all know that. Okay. It is cold here, and then the AC in the store was on. I was freezing. I came home. I jumped in a sweatshirt. This is crazy. Never had a winter like this in Florida. Never. Let me get salt and pepper. Excusez-moi. Vinny will film me next. We're going to do right after this because we're going to eat it together, but we're going to separate the videos because I don't like to do 2 meals at one time and confuse anyone. But we are going to do the mac and cheese yellow version for all the people that like the yellow version. And I can name a few of you, my friends. I know who you are. And pepper, did I put the black pepper? Okay, and then I'll recap. And in the meantime, I'm hoping my pan, I'm using the cast iron pan, which is great for even heating and does this very well. We'll see. And last, for a little color and flavor, is regular paprika, not smoked here. I'm not looking for a barbecue taste. Just a little bit of color. The simple seasoning, it's delicious. I've eaten them this way for years. Over 15 years. I like them since I learned to do them myself. And it's funny, I wasn't one of those young people that was crazy for wings, buffalo or otherwise. I just didn't like wings. I never ate them. And then one day I had somebody made them in the oven for me, and I was starving, and they had them for dinner, and they were wonderful. Now I have to see. Let me take a little piece. I came up with this too. I had to check if the frying pan's hot enough. You know how they always have the excess skin? Take a little snippet. I just ordered this about 10 minutes ago. That's a good zip. I didn't have any breadcrumbs. Okay, see? You hear that? All right, we're ready to go. And I got to armor up for this because I cooked them on a very high heat, which I'm going to lower it down a little bit. Not really. You know why? As they go in, they're going to reduce the heat in the pan. So let's start. There you go. Doesn't matter which way you put them in the pan. You could put them spice up, spice down. I like to put them spice up so that the bottom gets nice and golden, and then when I turn them, it sears those spices into it. Look at that. You can't get that in just any pan. That's cast iron, okay? Look at that. Wow. And scrape the board, get the rest of those goodies, all that flavor. See how it started angry at the beginning? Crazy girl stove don't mess with the cast iron. He gets hot whether she likes it or not. This thing cooks even and hot. I have it on an 8. And look at that. Now, here's the thing with these. You can't leave the frying pan. You got to stay and give them the love and attention they deserve, like I do every time, because the end result is mouth-watering delicious. You know how I get. But we're going to keep turning them. As soon as I feel the bottom's golden enough, and that's going to take 5 to 6 minutes in itself, just starting out the gate. Then I'm going to turn them again, like every 5 minutes until they are so golden and crispy, they are delicious. So I won't hold you up with that, but I will take you back in between 2 more times before the final, or 1 more time before the finale. So let them cook, let me pay attention, and when you see them all crispy done, you're going to say, I want to make them. Okay guys, I'm back, and I'm going to get ready to give the first turn so you can see what they look like. It's been about 5 to 6 minutes, and you think while they're bubbling away at a very high grill here, they should be cooked browner, but really, watch, I'll show you as I turn it. Let me get a better one. I look a little discoordinated there. You see? They're just a little yellow golden. They're nowhere near where I got to get them. We're going to do this process of turning every single, this is the first turn. So you figure about 2 more. I like them quite golden and quite crispy, and that takes a good 20 minutes or more, 25 minutes. It doesn't seem like it, but a minimum. You can't do this faster than 25 minutes, I would say. And you see how rapid? I have it on full temp. What I'm doing in between is telling Alexa to give me 5 or 6 minutes in between the turns. When I shut off camera, I'll tell her for the next 5. I'll turn them again, and I'm going to keep turning. I'll bring you back probably for the last one, so you could see the crispy goldenness. Okay, and remember, if you like what you see in my videos, please hit that subscribe button and talk away in the comments. I'll be back. Okay guys, here they are. I packaged them up for the finale. They're done, and they're nice and crispy the way I like. Now, you may find them too dark, too crispy. That's the beauty of it. You fry them till you feel they're golden and cooked enough for you. But I like them this way. You can't hear it on camera, but they're very crispy. Then we have them with blue cheese, celery, and hot sauce. You can dip them in anything you like. But these are Jeanine's wings. I hope you try them. I hope you like them. I'll write everything in the description, as I always do. And because these are mine, I would know every little step and secret to get them this perfect. All right. Enjoy. We got to get busy and